So in this session we're gonna learn how we can set up our environment, okay, before to use our Laravel project. Okay, so first of all I have to advise you to download what's called about xampp. Okay, with xampp you're gonna download, for example, this. We have this version. Okay, in my case I have already downloaded it. Okay, and I have already installed it on my machine. Okay, it is very easy, and you can download this software easily, and you can install it. Okay, and this is xampp. Okay, if you're using Linux, you can click also on xampp for Linux. We're gonna call it lamp. And for those who use Mac, you can download from this link. Okay, in my case I'm using Windows. Okay, so I'm gonna use the version. I'm gonna click on download. Okay, this version. Okay, xampp for Windows. Okay, by default it's going to take the system of your machine. Okay, and you're gonna click on it, download. Okay, if you click on download, okay, you're gonna see that you're gonna download. Now you can click yes, xampp for Windows. Okay, just click on xampp for Windows. So you're gonna download your xampp. Okay, so after downloading xampp, we're gonna download also what you call about composer. So you have to put this link, getcomposer.org. Okay, so we're gonna use composer. So composer is going to help us to set up our Laravel project. Okay, so it is a dependency manager for PHP, so you can download. Okay, in my case also I have already downloaded it. Okay, you can see that I have this here. We have composer. Okay, I have downloaded it, and after composer you're gonna download what you call about Git. Okay, okay, Git is going to be a terminal that we're gonna use in our session. Okay, you have just to put this URL. Okay, so you're going to be redirected to this page, and then you can download your versions. Okay, your Windows version of Git. Otherwise you can use for Mac. Okay, and you can see that you're gonna download your Git version. Okay, so we're gonna see that we can also use our own terminal. Okay, your own Windows terminal or your own Mac terminal or Linux terminal. Okay, in our case we're gonna use Git, but I'm gonna also show you how you can do the same thing with your own terminal. So after it, we're gonna download the editor. Okay, so I will advise you can download you can use any editor like you want, but I'm going to advise you to be together. So I'm going to advise you to use the VsCode. Okay, to download this terminal. Okay, so we're gonna be together. Okay, so we're gonna see that we're gonna have the same thing. Okay, we ever use VsCode Editor. Then if you are a pro, if you are professional, you can use other editor like you want, but in my opinion, I'm gonna advise you to use the VsCode. Okay, so you're gonna download for Windows if you want to use for Windows. Otherwise, you can download for Mac, and you can download others for Linux. Okay, and so let us go back. This is all files. Okay, software that I have already downloaded. Okay, and you can first of all begin with your composer. Okay, after installing your xampp, okay, you're gonna see that in my case I have installed xampp several times on in my machine. Okay, on my machine you're gonna see that I have xampp 0, xampp 1, xampp 2, but in my case I'm gonna work with xampp 2. Okay, so when you're gonna install your xampp, okay, by default you're gonna have xampp folder, so you're gonna use that folder. Okay, do not follow me, but in my case, as I have installed xampp several times in my machine, reason why you have these differences. Okay, that's no problem, but in your case if you have xampp, so you're gonna work with that folder. Okay, so it isn't a problem. So let's close this window. So you're gonna install what you call about composer. Okay, so first of all composer, you're gonna double click on composer. Okay, so make sure to be online. Okay, and you're gonna click on next. And when you click on next, when you come here, you're gonna select your xampp, okay, what you're gonna use, what you are using, okay, what you are using, and you're gonna select your xampp. And if you see that I have here, okay, by default I have xampp 1, but in my case I use xampp 2, okay. And also by default you're gonna see your xampp 4, okay, appear here, okay. But I will advise you to do not to use. You can also use one server, but we're gonna use only xampp, okay. So I want to go to review, okay, to do the same thing. And you can browse. In my case, you're gonna see that I don't have xampp 2 here, okay. You're gonna see that we have xampp 2 php, and we have the file inside. We have php.exe, and you're gonna click browse, okay. And if you click browse, so you're going to be redirected to your disk, and you can click here, and you're gonna come, for example, for my example I have this, okay. I have xampp 2, and I have somewhere where I have php, okay. So I'm gonna scroll down, okay. I have php, so I'm gonna select what you call about php, okay, .exe. And when I click on, you're gonna see that I have xampp 2, okay. But in your case you're gonna have only xampp, okay. You're gonna have backslash php backslash and php .exe, okay. So don't worry about it. And so you're gonna click next, okay. You're gonna click next, and you're gonna click next also, okay. You're gonna click install, okay. When clicking install, in my case I have already installed it on my machine, okay. And you're gonna make sure that you online, okay. And so let us wait this, okay. Yes, okay. So you're gonna make sure that you online, retry, okay. And so after, you're gonna see that your composer is going to be installed, okay. So you're gonna see that we have this here, and you're gonna click next, and you can select finished, okay. In my case I have already installed it on my machine, okay. So you can click finish if you have finished to install your composer, okay. So after it, we're gonna install what we call about gate, okay. Gate is going to be our terminal, okay. You're gonna double click on gate, okay. The same thing, okay. You're gonna see that the installation is going to be very easy. You're gonna click on next, okay. You can click next, and by default I'm gonna advise you to use this, okay. Do not use this, but use this, okay. Use Git and optional Unix tools, okay, from the Windows command prompts, okay. You're gonna select this, so you're gonna click next, and you're gonna leave all by default. After you're gonna leave all by default, okay. After selecting this, and when you're gonna click next, you're gonna leave all by default. You're gonna click next, you're gonna click next, okay, and you're gonna click install, okay. So in my case I have already installed it on my machine, and sorry, I'm gonna click, for example, cancel, okay. I'm gonna click cancel. Okay, so I'm gonna click cancel. I have already installed it on the machine, so you're gonna say that I'm using different versions, okay. So I'm gonna say yes, okay, cancel, okay. So after it, we're gonna install what we call about VsCode, okay, Visual Studio Code. And this is the editor that we're gonna use. I really advise you to use this editor, okay. So we're gonna click next. This is a free version, and you're gonna take this, I accept, and you're gonna click on next. You're gonna click on next, and you're gonna click next, and okay, you're gonna see that by default you are going to have these two text list, text box and text, okay. So you're gonna take this, okay. You're gonna take also this, and if you want to create an icon in your desktop, okay, in your desktop, you have also to click here, okay, if you want to create an icon, okay, create an icon on desktop, okay. By default, we're gonna take all these, okay, but we are going to uncheck this, okay. So after you're gonna click on next. You're gonna click on next, and in my case, I have already installed this. I'm gonna click on cancel, okay. I'm gonna cancel it, and I'm gonna cancel it. So we're gonna say that we're going to succeed how to install our we're gonna cancel it. Just wait for new units, okay. So we're gonna install it, okay. After the installation finished, we're gonna see that we're gonna pass through another thing, okay. Let's see. Yeah, just wait for units, okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. And you're gonna install it, and in my case I have already installed, so I'm gonna click on cancel, okay. Yes, and I'm going to quit, okay. So after it, we're gonna see the next session, okay. After installing our environment that we're gonna use, we're gonna see the next session how we can install, how we can set up our Laravel project. So we're gonna meet you the next session. Goodbye.